Canton police are sending out a scam alert, and this time it involves people interested in buying puppies online. Action News reporter Kimberly Craig tells us how it's done and how you can protect your heart and your wallet.
Their faces are adorable, puppies like these Maltipus up for sale. The only problem is they could be coming from puppy mills, disguising themselves as reputable breeders. Or sometimes it's just a scam, and the dog you've fallen in love with doesn't exist. The Better Business Bureau says scammers simply troll the internet for adorable pics to reel you in. And you never get that puppy you already feel is family, and you'll never see your cash again.
They know that people are willing to pay to get that family member to their home. So when they keep asking for money, more money, people usually pay it.
Canton police warning people about this puppy scam on their Facebook page today after 4 people were recently scammed out of hundreds, some thousands of dollars. One woman who wanted a Shih Tzu from a company she found online was bilked out of nearly $5,000. The consumer buying experts with the BBB say you should always visit the breeder and search for website warning signs like, is the site even hosted in the country where the breeder claims to be located? And pick up your puppy from the kennel. Do not rely on them to ship the little one to you, and pay with a check or credit card, because experts say it's a red flag if a breeder pressures you to pay by wire transfer or a prepaid debit card.
Go to a reputable company that's local or that other people have worked with. If you ever have to wire money or send MoneyGrams or money orders, it's probably a scam.
And if you are looking for 4-legged family members, don't forget to always check out your local shelters and rescues. In Canton, Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News.